Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're taking a closer look at Tresorit, found at https://tresorit.com, a service focused on providing secure cloud storage. In an age where data privacy is increasingly important, Tresorit positions itself as a robust solution for individuals and businesses seeking enhanced confidentiality. They emphasize end-to-end encryption, meaning your files are encrypted before they leave your device and remain encrypted until they reach the intended recipient. This added layer of security offers peace of mind knowing your data is protected from unauthorized access, even from Tresorit themselves. Tresorit offers a range of plans designed to accommodate various needs, from individual users to large enterprise teams. Features often include file syncing, sharing with secure links, and even the ability to set permissions for recipients. Whether you're collaborating on sensitive projects or simply want a safe place to store personal documents, Tresorit aims to provide a secure platform for all your cloud storage needs. With a sleek interface and user-friendly design, they aim to make secure file management as straightforward as possible. They are trying to strike a balance between robust security and ease of use. If you're concerned about the security of your cloud storage, Tresorit might be worth checking out. Exploring their website and perhaps even trying a free trial can offer valuable insights into whether their services align with your specific requirements. Remember, protecting your digital data is crucial in today's interconnected world, and solutions like Tresorit offer a dedicated approach to achieving that. They claim to go above and beyond standard security measures, prioritizing the confidentiality of your information. This makes Tresorit an interesting option in the crowded field of cloud storage providers. So, if you prioritize security, I encourage you to take a closer look at Tresorit.